Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a country in Central Asia and a neighbor to Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, and Afghanistan. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan. Uz. Bear. Kiss. Tan. Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan is known for its rich cultural history and ancient cities, including Samarkand and Bukhara, which were key stops on the Silk Road. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Uzbekistan, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.